To increase definition in photos to enhance details on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open a photo you want to edit. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tools icon. Swipe the icon area to the left to find definition icon. Here you can use the slider to increase the definition to sharpen and enhance the finer details in your photo. If you are happy with the result, tap save to save the change. As a note, using the definition tool helps bring out more texture and clarity in your photos. It's especially useful for images like landscape, fabrics, or close-up shot where you want the tiny details to stand out more clearly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.